strength and happiness in your day. So I just want to leave you the Proverbs 3:5 says, "Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. And in all your ways submit to Him, and He will make your path straight." Okay? Wishing you on your special day, may you feel God's love and guidance. So trust in the Lord. Happy birthday! You're always our baby.
Our second candle symbolizes for a good health. Our second candle, we have Miss Leila Torresma. Requesting all the candles there to please proceed at this side of the stage, or right side. Maraming salamat po.
Happy 18th birthday, Isay. I feel grateful and blessed to be a part of this very important milestone of your life. So my prayer for you is that may you know more God personally in your life as you experience His love and mercy in your everyday life. So I want to share this verse to you, written in Matthew 5:16. It says, "In the same way, let your light shine before others, that they may see your good works and give glory to your Father who is in heaven." So may you continue to shine and give glory to our God in all things that you do. I love you, and again, happy birthday. God bless always.
Our third candle symbolizes